Hello and welcome to Career Growth. Today, let's talk about the topic on how to make the best use of the times that we are in today. What I mean to say is the COVID time. A few months ago, we entered the brand new decade, and suddenly the world just flipped. The reason? Pandemic. And because of it, we all have been experiencing a parallel spread of anxiety, instability, impatience, intolerance, and frustration. It is natural. This pandemic has affected everyone, irrespective of the age. Whether it is the school students, college students, working professionals, individuals, and even businesses. So, what is the kind of impact that it has had? The school students are now forced to be at home. Obviously, no outdoor play, no friends, boredom, and suddenly switching to studying online, losing touch with reading, writing, and interaction with people. On the other hand, college students who were used to freedom have suddenly started facing new restrictions. The final year students facing confusion about their job prospects and campus placements, the obvious worries about the future, and managing online classes, online internships, and obviously no personal attention. But one of the most affected population is the working population. Work for many has always been a reason for stress, and now it is work from home, managing finances, managing uncertainty about career, managing children, spouses, siblings, senior citizens, lack of social life, and of course, work for home too. Yes, these are tough times for all of us, but most of us have been able to cope up with it and adjust to the new normal. So, despite being able to regain our routines to some extent, our learning should never stop. So, let us look at some ways how we can make the best use of this time. The school children. I think it is the best time for them to learn, explore hobbies, maybe learn a new language, develop skills to be independent, strengthen their basics, inculcate a lot of habits like reading, listening, observing, and even mastering the art of doing nothing, being patient. For college students, it is a good time to really explore their interest from a career perspective. They can research and think about various career options, speak to a lot of professionals, try to prepare for the challenges ahead. While doing so, learn new skills, take up courses online, update their resume, ensure that their physical and mental health is good, and most importantly, learn to be independent and self-sufficient. For the working population, yes, the focus will be on strengthening the bonds with people, the connect, the network. Updating skills is essential to survive in these uncertain times. Getting a hang of technology, getting used to technology, trying to plan things ahead, whether it's from a career point of view or finances. And not to forget to unwind yourself and take care of yourself. If possible, try to have a different connect with your family and friends. Regardless of age, we all should have a routine. Planning is essential, so plan out things. Learn, adapt, explore, connect, exercise, indulge in self-care, and most importantly, maintain positive well-being. Remember, this situation is only temporary and things will go back to normal eventually. But when? We are yet to find out. But till then, try to find healthy ways to cope up with the situation and don't be too hard on yourself. Keep in touch and keep watching Career Growth for more interesting aspects of life and career.